Hi, my name is waleadetonahq. Welcome to this video training on how to publish your Google Doc file into WordPress. So before I discovered this plugin inside Google Doc, I've been using Wordable. Wordable allow you to publish from your Google Doc uh, Google Doc account into your WordPress. So when you finish writing your post in your Google Doc, you can publish it directly into your WordPress website, and you can post it. So, but I quite don't find it smoothly along the way. Because I lose some files along the way. But I discovered this free tool that's allowed me to use it. But if you don't want to use this tool, you can try Wordable. It's a great tool, but I find this amazing plugin which is free, by the way. So you can try it out. So first thing you need to do to before you can publish your Google Doc file into your WordPress account is to install a plugin, and the plugin is named uh, WordPress.com for Google Doc. So to do that, you need to install the plugin. If you don't have the plugin installed in your Google Doc account, so you simply go to your Google Doc account, then locate this add-on. So on this add-on, click on Get Add-on. So wait for it to load. So once the page loads, still waiting for it to load. So once the page loads, simply type publish pub published to WordPress. So once you type publish to WordPress, and so this is the plugin you are going to install. So as you can see, I've installed it already. So in your own case, you won't find it installed. So just click on it. A page will be loaded for you to install the plugin. So once the plugin is installed on your Google Doc account, the page might load, but you find the plugin here. So once the plugin is in that place, the next thing you need to do is to locate this plugin and open it. So open it. Once you open it, waiting for it to load. So yeah, so as you can see, I've installed I've added my website to the Google Doc account. So each time I finish my post, I can easily publish it to WordPress. So in your case, you won't find anything here. So the what you are going to do is to add is a WordPress site. So once you click add WordPress site, so you'll be directed to this place to connect your Google Doc to your WordPress.com. So since you don't have WordPress.com account, or if you have WordPress.com account, you simply need to log into that WordPress.com account. So log into it. Like example, this is my WordPress.com account. So you log into in your own case, log into the account. You might have added your own website, which is not the free version of WordPress. I mean the paid version. But to have the paid version on WordPress.com, all you simply need to do is to log into your WordPress admin panel for your WordPress.org website. I mean the WordPress that you hosted your blog, which is you host it on a personal domain, a personal hosting website. Sorry. So you log into the backend. So for example, yeah, wait, okay, yeah. So you log into the backend of your WordPress website. So once you're on the backend, what you need to do is to install a plugin called Jetpack. So this Jetpack, I've installed it on this domain already. And this domain is also inside my WordPress.com website. So if I add this domain to my Google Doc, I can easily publish content from that my Google Doc account into this website. I have two websites already. So you install this plugin and activate it. Once uh, you have activated the plugin, you'll be directed to the plugin will ask you to connect your WordPress.com. So you log in with your WordPress.com username and password for the for this domain name for this your for the Jetpack that you install. You will log in with your WordPress.com credentials into the Jetpack plugin. So Once you are done with that, you'll have privilege to add website for the Google Doc account here. So once you click on this, I told you earlier, you won't find anything here. You just find add WordPress website. So once you click on that, you'll be shown a page like this. So a page like this will be asking you that you want to connect your WordPress.com for Google Doc. Would like to connect to your WordPress.com. So in this case, you know how this Google Doc is going to display your website is through the WordPress.com. So how your domain is going to display in WordPress.com is this way. Once you install the sorry, once you install this plugin, Jetpack, it will grab your domain name into the WordPress.com. So that's how it's going to dictate your own domain name. So this is it. So you just approve it. Once you approve it, the WordPress.com website will be connected to your Google Doc. Then once you are done with your uh, content, you can publish it into your WordPress website. So as you can see, this is the one I've done for my own personal website. So once I'm done with this post, I can actually choose the post type. Is it page I want to make the content to be published? So if I click post now, I can show you as an example here. So if I click saved here, it's going to be uploaded into my Google Doc, Google website, WordPress.com website for this domain name. So I think it's having a lot of an issue here. So that's how it is. You can actually publish your Google Doc document into your WordPress .org website. So I hope you get value in this training video. Please, if you get value, please, I would like to know your thoughts in the comments section below. Please like, comment, and subscribe to YouTube channel so this video can be seen by a lot of people having this issue of getting their WordPress, getting their Google Doc file into their WordPress website. And I hope to bring you more content along the way. So I'll see you in my next video. Thanks.